Radhesh Agarwal. I teach chemistry at Zenith Institute. I graduated from IIT Kharagpur in 2010 with a degree in Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture. Since you're watching this video, I would like to first tell you about the exam which you are preparing for. The examination is known as the Joint Entrance Examination, and this is the examination which will get you into one of your dream colleges, the IITs, the NITs, and other regional engineering colleges. The exam is broken up in two parts. The first part, known as JEE Mains, consists of this year 90 questions with 30 questions each from physics, chemistry, and mathematics. The number of people appearing for this examination is massive. This year, 15 lakh students are appearing for this exam. Out of these 15 lakh, only 2 lakh will be selected to appear for the advanced exam, which takes place in May. After this exam, only 7,000 will be selected to become part of the IITs. So you must have probably realized by now that the conversion rate is very little. It's approximately 0.5% of the total number of students applying for this exam. So obviously, with such tough competition and such low conversion rates, you need to be prepared all the more.
Hi everyone, I'm Amit Bachawat. I teach maths at Zenith Institute. I passed out from IIT Roorkee in the year 2013. Now, just a while back, Radhesh would have told you about the kind of examination that you have to take up to get into the IITs or the NITs, the premier institutes in India. Now, I'd like to tell you about those engineering colleges. What happens once you get into the engineering colleges? The engineering colleges, as you would probably know, would provide a lot of engineering courses which include computer science engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, etc., etc. Now, all the courses over here would provide you with various spectrum of opportunities that you can have and various success stories that you've already known or heard about from the various fields. For example, Sundar Pichai, the Google CEO, he is from metallurgical engineering from IIT Madras. So you have a lot to achieve if you can probably get into an IIT. But as pointed out, it's not going to be easy at all. For starting, you know how to prepare, or you have been trained to study in a model which works well till you are in class 9 and 10. But once you enter into class 11, especially with science, the entire thing changes in a way that you cannot possibly imagine at the moment. Now, I'm not telling you this to scare you off, but then you should know the reality of the things that you are actually getting into. So for that thing, we have a very specific model which helps you to transition from class 10 to class 11, which takes a lot of time, because in class 10, you're probably studying things at a level which would be something over here. But as soon as you enter class 11, you will find the things are at somewhere over here. So now this gap which is generated, this is something which most of the people fail to have a convenient transition, and that's where we come in. Whether you take maths, physics or chemistry, all of us here are trained from being from very premier institutes ourselves, know how to go about this and will help you in the best possible way for it.
Hello friends, I am Varun Goenka. I teach physics over here at Zenith Institute. I completed my engineering from NIT Trichy with majors in electronics and communication engineering. So I have been already teaching for last 7 years in Calcutta, and a lot of students from our place have cracked the premier institutes and have entered the hallowed portals of IIT. So what we offer over here at Zenith is a spectrum which no other institute in Calcutta offer. The very first thing to start off with, the teachers over here are themselves from IITs and NITs. So mostly the institutes which we have over here in Calcutta are franchisees, and the teachers over there are not very capable. But over here, the teachers themselves have been there and done that, and so they know things better than others. Our classes will be 3-hour lectures, 3-hour long, with 2.5 hours of lecturing and a half hour of doubt clearing. Now, doubt clearing is a very, very important component. Because in science, be it chemistry, be it physics, be it maths, a student can analyze a problem in a way which probably the teacher himself might not have thought of. So in that case, he need to ask the doubt to the teacher and check whether his idea is indeed correct. So if your doubts do not get cleared, your confidence level ultimately goes down, which is a very, very bad thing. So your doubts need to be cleared at very regular intervals, so that you can have confidence with each topic that is being covered. For the same reason, we'll have doubt clearing classes after every lecture. So I would request people to solve, interact, ask doubts, and get a strong hold over the subject. The next thing which I want to assert is about the mock tests. The test taking temperament is a very important factor for IIT JEE. Out of the 15 lakh students who appear for JEE, at least 5 lakh students would be there who have prepared throughout 2 years for the exam. But of them, 2 lakh get selected. Those 2 lakhs are the ones who have developed an optimum exam temperament. So you need to develop an optimum exam temperament which comes only by regular test taking. So we'll be taking both online and offline tests over here, and we'll have them discussed thoroughly so that you can understand where you are going wrong and where you need to work upon. The third thing which I want to assert over here is our institutes provide you a space for self-study, and we have facility for library. You can come over here, spend time with your friends over here and study in groups and make the best use of this place. We have DVD classes as well for those who have missed a class or probably want to revise a particular topic again. So you can again watch the DVD classes for the portions which you wish to. So what we are trying to offer here is a complete solution to help students of Calcutta and outside to do as well as they can. It has to be a two-way effort from our side and also from yours. It will not be a one-day game. It is a 2-year-long hard work. So I wish you all the best, and what comes now is our demo classes. You can have a look at the videos and you can realize for yourself the way in which we deliver our lectures. I wish you all the best. God bless you.